In a quiet village, there lived an old farmer with his 3 sons. The farmer was hardworking, but his sons were always quarreling and never worked together. The farmer was worried about what would happen to his farm after he was gone. He knew his sons needed to learn the value of unity.
How can I teach my sons to work together and live in harmony?
One day, the farmer called his sons together and showed them a bundle of sticks.
Sons, I want each of you to try to break this bundle of sticks.
One by one, the sons tried to break the bundle, but none of them could do it.
It's too strong. I can't break it.
It's impossible. No one can break this.
Then the farmer untied the bundle and gave each son a single stick.
Now, try to break your stick.
The sons easily broke their sticks. The farmer then spoke.
You see, my sons, if you stand together like this bundle of sticks, you will be strong and unbreakable. But if you quarrel and separate, you will be weak and easily broken.
The sons realized the wisdom of their father's words and promised to work together from that day on.
We will stand together, Father.
We will work as one. We will make you proud.
From that day on, the sons worked together and their farm prospered. They learned that unity is strength. Remember, kids, together we are stronger. Thank you for listening. Kids, always remember to work together and support one another.